a little bit cooped up in our Airbnb for a couple of days. One for rain that we were getting, and then Ryan got sick, and my leg got infected. But anyway, we have decided to venture out, and we're actually making our first trip into the ancient city in Hoi An. We've hired a driver for about 4 hours named Quan, and he's going to take us around Hoi An. Right now we're in the ancient city, and we're going to check it out, what it has to offer. So let's follow along. If I wasn't traveling for a year and I was just coming here to visit, I would definitely get something made. I love that kind of suit.
Mama. Yes.
What is it?
Yeah.
Oh, hey.
No, Dada.
What do you see? Oh, a big. Oh wait, just one. Just one.
That's for the kitchen.
Yeah, that's the.
I think what caught Ryan's eyes was the toys. There's a Spider-Man over there. It didn't get past him. Heidi's fascinated with the mannequins. So she really points them out when they don't have a head or hands or a face. To actually buy something like in these backpacks or laptop bags and send it back home. Oh, they even have some duffels. These are really nice. And it's what they're known for here. Oh, hello. Where did you come from?
I come from down there.
She just popped up out of nowhere.
Buffalo leather
4 million.
with the whole lining inside, suede lining,
Okay.
pockets, zip, and 2 pockets here.
Okay. And then you have a compartment
Where is
here.
a strong buckle, you see,
Okay.
ready,
Strong buckle.
and white KK zip,
Okay.
very high quality
Right.
zip. Because you know it's leather important,
Okay.
strong already, so that's why we don't put on the high quality zip.
Oh,
So
okay.
you keep it long time. You pay one time, it can you hold your time. Very strong. Very nice, huh?
Yeah, for the
Yeah.
shoes. That's awesome.
That's a shoe.
It's a pair of shoes.
All right, we're gonna try to find a restaurant. Let me think about this leather bag. Drop in the comments if you think I should buy that leather bag or not. I really like it. I want it, but do I need it? What do you think I'm gonna do? Let's find somewhere to eat. Should have invited y'all on this culinary journey we just went on. We got fried spring rolls, a chicken with, I don't know, in like a curry, and then chicken rice. We got these prawns with crab meat. I think it was Kalau noodles. Thank you. Got like 5 different things for everybody to share. Oh, and the fried spring rolls is just delicious. This is the aftermath. And when you're traveling and the kids are just going nuts, which is gonna happen, ask for Saigon beer. You got to specify sometimes. I asked for a Saigon, and they brought me Saigon coffee. So make sure if you want a beer, get a Saigon beer. So now I'm slightly buzzed and very energized.
Hi.
Oh, Ryan says hi. What are we gonna go look at?
Toy.
Toys. We are loving the food here. It's all, I mean everywhere's different, but yeah, the food here has been really good. I miss the spicy food in Thailand, but Vietnamese food is proven to be very, very delicious.
Not yet. Not right now.
How much?
Old family and 250.
250.
Yeah.
So we are going to do a boat tour here in the city. It's flooded. Like where we're floating right now is actually like the river walk, but the waters are still high from the monsoon that they had, plus the rains we've had recently. See, we're floating on the sidewalk right now. So we were first approached by a lady by the main road, and it was 300,000. This one's 250. So it's roughly $10 for 20 minutes for everybody. So that's not bad. Okay, I'm getting the bag. Couldn't pass it up. What you got? Money. Look them up on TripAdvisor. Over 1,200 reviews and only 18, I believe, or less than 5 stars. That just speaks for the quality of their goods.
Hi.
So we just got one of these little bikes to bring us back to the car, just because it's fun. Why not? We're in Hoi An. Is this fun? We're meeting everybody else back with our driver. And yeah, oh yeah, more toys.
There's just a lot of those toys.
Yeah.
Like there's one toy and then more toys that has a lot.
Yeah.
Hey, look. You see that bird? A real bird?
Saw it.
Think it's a real bird. Pretend it's a real bird because it's a toy.
Okay. Town here in Hoi An. We stopped and negotiated some leather goods and got something to eat. Took a little boat ride. We hired our driver for 4 hours, so we need to go and use that because we hired him 3 hours ago, but he hasn't taken us anywhere yet. So we've got to go do some other shopping. Ryan got a transformer car, and yeah, we'll do some more. We're going to come back down here and check it out. But I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you go like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.